Is MyEtherWallet safe? Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to MyEtherWallet, Liu, and other recommended products are in the description. Now let's get straight to it. MyEtherWallet is a non-custodial, open-source Ethereum wallet designed for users who want full control over their ERC20 tokens and NFTs. It allows users to generate and manage Ethereum private keys, making it a popular choice for those who prioritize security and decentralization. MEW supports hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, adding an extra layer of protection. It also integrates with Ethereum Name Service, making it easier to send and receive crypto using human-readable addresses. Additionally, MEW provides direct access to Ethereum dApps, DeFi platforms, and staking services. It's available as a web wallet, mobile app, iOS and Android, and browser extension. Who is it for? Ethereum users, DeFi investors, and those who want full control over their assets. If you're holding ETH or ERC20 tokens and need a non-custodial wallet with hardware wallet support and dApp integration, MEW is a solid option. However, beginners may find it slightly technical compared to wallets like MetaMask. Now, let's look at strengths. First, non-custodial security. Users hold their private keys, ensuring full control over their funds. Second, hardware wallet compatibility. Ledger and Trezor integration enhances security. Third, direct access to Ethereum DeFi and staking. MEW connects users to Ethereum dApps without relying on centralized platforms. Fourth, open source transparency. The code is publicly available for security audits. Lastly, ENS support simplifies transactions with human-readable addresses. However, there are weaknesses. First, phishing risks. Since MEW is a web-based wallet, users must be cautious of fake websites and malicious extensions. Second, not the most beginner-friendly. Setting up private keys and understanding gas fees can be overwhelming for new users. Third, Ethereum-only support. MEW is limited to ETH and ERC20 tokens, making it unsuitable for users needing multi-chain compatibility. Final verdict? MyEtherWallet is a secure and powerful choice for Ethereum users, but it requires proper security practices. If you need a non-custodial, open-source wallet with strong dApp and hardware wallet support, it's a great option. Check the links in the description if you're interested.